Almost all of the robots deployed today in the world are heavily pre-programmed. So that means they do one thing very well. They move an object from point A to point B 10,000 times a week.
We're a software company and we've developed Grid. Grid is essentially a software platform, and it has everything that a team of developers needs in order to build AI skills for robots.
Imagine if you have an arm that had eyes, that had sensing capabilities, and it can look at an object and automatically figures out that this is how this needs to be picked up and this is where it goes on. And it does so seamlessly without any explicit programming. We believe that the best way to disseminate these capabilities is through a cloud.
Our approach using AI is we want our robots and our customers' robots to be very adaptable and flexible, learn things, sense, reason, take action in dynamic environments.
So imagine you go to a supermarket and you get an electrical appliance. The first thing you do is you plug it into an electrical grid so that it can work. This is what we built, the distribution for intelligence for every device.
We're very excited about our integration with Copilot. Similar to how Copilot is helping people from all technical levels quickly code websites and iPhone apps, we're bringing that same capability underpinned by Grid to robots. So as you can envision a robot performing a task and type it into a chat window, Grid with Copilot will code that task, execute that task, and then give you the results of that task.
Our customers, they work in very competitive marketplaces. So safety, security, privacy, these are all things that are top of mind for all of our customers. And so having that name of Microsoft Azure gives them the confidence that they can use general robotics in their operations.
We're thrilled to be part of the Microsoft for Startups program. The level of exposure we get as a startup to some of the leading enterprises in the world across the most important sectors is unparalleled.
The biggest unlock in robotics is going to happen because of advances in infrastructure, specifically infrastructure that enables robots and makes AI accessible to robots. Folks are still building robots as if it was 1990s. But in the age of deep machine learning, cloud, and connectivity, it is very important that we are forward-looking and we are building robots for the future.